right, everybody, stand by. We're on in 3, 2, 1.
Welcome, everybody, to the 2019 Hello Gorgeous Beauty Awards. All right. And the winners are...
It looks something like this.
Okay, guys. I am doing my first annual Hello Gorgeous Beauty Awards. Everywhere you look, there's the best of 2019 beauty, from Allure to Cosmo to Glamour to Good Housekeeping. I can't even tell you the last time I saw a Good Housekeeping magazine, but they have a best of beauty awards every year. So I did some research, I looked at everybody's lists, and I might do a test video soon of everybody's top 10s, but we'll get to that in a second. What I wanted to do first is round up my top 10 beauty picks for the entire year of 2019. These are the items that I fell in love with and I will be buying again and again and again because they are that good. I didn't sit here and think about it way too long because if I do that, then my list is gonna get huge. I thought about really quickly, what are the items that if I had to pack a bag right now and leave, what would I take with me? And these are them. So let's get into it. First up on the list is more body than beauty. It's so that you don't stink. It's deodorant. Okay, this is important because nobody wants to smell your nasty BO. Yeah, okay, this is aluminum free. It's native deodorant. I love it. I've talked about it a ton. It's not a new discovery for me in 2019, but what is new for me in 2019 is this scent. It is the blue one, which is, oh, I got it on backwards. Let's turn it around. Sea salt and cedar. I mean, even when I opened it that quick, it smells so good. I personally think this is a unisex scent. Some of the scents I would be like a little weirded out if I caught Matt using it. It'd be like, you shouldn't use that. But this one is totally anybody friendly. It smells so good, and it's one of the only aluminum-free deodorants that actually makes me not smell like a polecat. That's what Mama used to always say was, you stink like a polecat. Which when I Googled that, I found out that that was a skunk. Had no idea for like 25 years of my life. Had no idea. But this deodorant is amazing. I also like Bali's Secret as well. That one's on Amazon. This one I get at Target. As I was gathering my items for this video, I realized that I'm way over 10. So we're gonna say that it's our top 10, but we're not gonna count because there's way more than 10 here. But while we're on the topic of body, I wanted to talk about my favorite perfume. This is Rosie by Rosie Jane. I love this perfume. And I got it in a little sampler set, and I don't remember if it was PR or if it was a gift or where it came from, but I loved the little sampler, so I asked for this for my birthday. Matt bought it for me, and it smells amazing. And it's one of, like, Matt is the type of dude that he doesn't like perfume. Like, he just doesn't. But this scent, whenever I wear it and I walk past him, he'll go, "You smell good." Thanks, Rosie Jane. I love this perfume. You can get it at Sephora. It's just really clean smelling. It's one of those scents that I feel like probably everybody will enjoy. Okay, those are my top 2 body favorites. There are so many more. Oh my gosh, I can think of a self-tanner. I can think of a body scrub. I can think of a body wash. I have so many favorites, but we're gonna reel it in, Angela, reel it in. We're gonna move on to skincare. And first up in skincare is my Clarisonic. I can see a major difference in my skin when I don't use my Clarisonic. I kid you not. Now here's the thing about the Clarisonic. I only use this on the days that I wear makeup. If I don't wear makeup, I don't use it. I feel like the thing that also is misleading about a Clarisonic is a lot of people think that a Clarisonic exfoliates. It does not. It deep cleans, but it does not exfoliate. So if you're using this, you still need to exfoliate regularly. Twice a week is what I recommend personally, but everybody's skin is different. You might need more. I actually use a daily exfoliant, and then twice a week I do a heavier scrub. This just gets a deep clean. I am all about a double cleanse, sometimes even a triple cleanse, because when I go to bed, I don't want a single smidge of makeup on my face that will get on my pillow. I want a clean face, and this is the best way to get a deep clean, and my pores stay the cleanest when I'm using my Clarisonic. This is the Mia Prima. I've been using this one for about a month or so. Before that, I had the Mia, and I've had the Mia for probably at least 3 years, but this one is the Mia Prima and I like it even more. It's got like, here's the thing. There's something that I like more about the Mia is that it actually times you. It lets you know, okay, you're done with your forehead, move to your T-zone. You're done with your T-zone, move to your cheek. This one does not do that, and that's annoying to me. But there's something about the size of this one and the shape of it that it feels easier to hold, and I feel like the other one I kind of dropped a lot. I don't know if that makes sense, but regardless, can't live without my Clarisonic, and I highly recommend this for literally everyone. Okay, still on the skincare boat, we are talking about toner. I have been a Pixi Glow Tonic user forever. This is just something that I feel like toners, in my opinion, don't make a huge difference in my skin. Maybe other people will say, oh my gosh, toner is like a must-have. Every toner that I've used, I kind of feel like, yeah, it's great. It's an added step, whatever. This one actually makes a difference. I feel like my skin is glowier when I use the Glow Tonic. It's got a 5% glycolic acid, which is a tiny bit of an exfoliating toner aspect. So I feel like it kind of helps to really slough off that dead skin. If you're already regularly exfoliating, this is just an added bonus. If you have normal skin, if you have sensitive skin, this is probably not going to be your friend with the glycolic acid. You should look into a different toner. Maybe it's something a little bit more gentle. But for me, this is amazing. I've been using it for years and I've used it literally this entire year, and I will probably always have a Glow Tonic somewhere near my person. Next in the skincare regimen is Drunk Elephant's Night Serum. This is a glycolic night serum. If you can't tell, I am a glycolic acid freak. I am a strong believer in using acids in your skincare routine because I think that it really helps to turn over that dead skin, gets you that glow, keeps your skin clear. I also feel like it makes a difference in your pore size. This is a great night serum. Drunk Elephant is a fantastic brand. It's a clean beauty brand. It's available at Sephora, and I'm just a big believer in Drunk Elephant. I love their products. This has got 12% AHA, BHA blend with raspberry extract. I don't feel like this is a heavy glycolic acid in that, like, oh my gosh, my skin is burning. And I kind of like the burn. So I feel like most people could use this and not have any irritation. If you have crazy sensitive skin, obviously that's probably not gonna be your friend either. But it's a product that I really believe in. I use it all the time. This is like my 3rd bottle this year. It's just awesome. Next in the skincare category is the SkinCeutical CE Ferulic acid. This is, I told you, I like my acids. There is literally not a single drop left in this thing, and I desperately need to replace it, but I feel like it's one of those things that I need to have all the time. I use this every other morning. I rotate between this and the Floritin, the SkinCeuticals Floritin, I believe it is. I am always using serums. I think that serums are so important for your skin, and the way that you need to use your serums, to my recommendation and from the research that I've done, is that you tone and then you serum your skin. You apply serum next. It's a little bit of a toss-up when the eye cream goes in there. I personally like to get the most benefit out of my eye cream, so I do that after toner, then I do serums. But serums help your moisturizers or your creams or whatever you want to call them, or sleeping masks, to penetrate deeper into your skin. I hate that word. I hate the word penetrate, but that's the only word I know to use. Deeper into your skin and get more moisture deeper into your skin layers, which is so important. So a serum is essential in my regimen, and I highly recommend them to anybody who's dealing with or wanting to take care of anti-aging, or you have dry skin and nothing's cutting it. Add a serum to your regimen and see if that helps. I can almost assure you that that's gonna help. One more skincare product and then we're gonna move on to makeup. Here's the problem. I love skincare. I use so many products. I love them so much. So this is really hard for me to just like narrow it down, but I'm trying my best, y'all. I'm trying my best. Next is the Luxe The Face Illuminating Self-Tan Drops. These things are bombdiggity.com. What you do is you put your moisturizer in the palm of your hand that you're gonna apply to your face at night. You add between, I think it says between 1 to 4 drops. Yeah, 1 to 4 drops. And you mix it up into your moisturizer and you apply it all over your face. And when you wake up in the morning, you got a tan. It's awesome because it doesn't leave a nasty stink. And I have never seen it get on my pillowcases. I only do 1 to 2 drops at first because I don't want to like wake up and look orange. So I've never done 4 drops. If you're braver than me, do it. then comment and let me know how it works out. But these are awesome for a like more gradual and very natural glow. This is an awesome job. I love getting spray tans, but I'm particular about where I get my spray tans. And while I'm here in Ohio, unless my girlfriend Crystal's here, I don't do them. I tan myself. And this is the best way to get an instant glow on your face overnight. Not instant, but overnight glow on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. I apply it all over there. It's amazing. Let's head over to hair, the hair category, real quick. I only have one item here that I want to talk about, and it's only because this video is getting to be too long because I can't seem to leave anything out because I've got so many favorites. I'm going to just talk about one thing, and I have so many hair favorites, but this is just one thing that if I was leaving right now my house because there was a fire and I had to take one hair product, not tool, product, I would take this, and it is the Kenra Dry Volume Burst. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Let me show you. Let me give you a little look-see at what it does. So literally all I do is I just pick my hair up in sections and I hold it and then I drop it and I do a little, and it smells so good. And then I drop it and I let it kind of settle there for a minute and then I work it in with my fingers. And it just adds instant volume to your hair. I didn't do a real good job there, but you get the gist of it. It's just an automatic burst of volume to your hair. It smells so good. I love it. It's a soft hold. It's a volumizing spray. After I style my hair, I put this all over my hair, like at the roots, and it gives me so much texture. It makes my hair very workable, and it smells great. I've said that like 5 times because it smells great. And I love what it does. Now, I want to talk about Kenra for a second. I love Kenra. I use a lot of their products, especially since I went through that stinky hair situation, which my hair's a little bit getting the stink back, so it's almost time to do another detox. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, go to my channel and go back a few videos, like, I don't know, 5 videos. I was going through a very dark period of my life where my hair smelled like a burning dog on fire. Wait, a wet dog on fire. That's what it was, a wet dog on fire. And sometimes I still get that smell back, and I've got hacks on how to get rid of it, and they work. I discovered Kenra after so many of my GGs recommended Kenra, and I hadn't used it in years. I'm now a shampoo and conditioner user, and I love it. I love it. It's amazing. The one product that I've tried from Kenra that I do not love and I do not recommend is their dry shampoo. Do not like it. This is not their dry shampoo. This is just a volume adder, and honestly, it is incredible, and I cannot recommend it enough. If you've got fine hair like I do, I've got super fine hair, but a ton of it, and you lack volume, this will be your best friend. Moving on to makeup, and I'm going to try to make these fast because there's like 6 of them here, and I'm way over my limit for the top 10. First up, we cannot have 2019 roundup without talking about the magnetic lashes. I wear them every day that I wear makeup. They are amazing. They're from Ardell, and every single time I catch them on sale, I stock up. I have probably 5 packs of brand new ones right here. They make the biggest difference in the world. I am going to try a new product very soon that is similar to this, and I will let you know how that goes. So stay tuned for that. I may like it better. But as of right now, go get yourself a pair of the magnetic lashes. While we're on the topic of lashes, let's talk about lash serums. Again, this is not new to me. This is Grand Lash MD. I have been using it since 2013. Love it. But I stopped using it when I found out I was pregnant, and I didn't use it until I stopped breastfeeding, which was January of this year. So I think I started using it again in February. My poor lashes were so sad. They were piddly, they were puny, and they were sad. They were petite, all the P words. They were so sad. And I forgot how awesome Grand Lash was and how amazing my lashes looked until I started using it again, and I was like, bam! I get so many comments and so many people asking me about my lashes. This is the secret, y'all. It is the serum. And the other secret is my mascara. Okay, so I wanted to list this as a favorite, but then I took it off because I have a full video dedicated to it. It's the Thrive Mascara. If you want to know anything about Thrive Mascara, just at the top of YouTube type in Angela Lanter Thrive Mascara. I have a whole video on it. I'm wearing very unfortunate lip liner, lip combo. I don't know why I chose that for the video. let's just move along and forget that. But I love that mascara. I've been using it forever. It's amazing. And I have also on my blog, I have a whole post about the combination of my magnetic lashes, my lash serum, and my mascara. And the combination of those three, literally, I'm able to fake lash extensions. It's amazing. Go check those out. New to me this year is a brand called Farsali. It's one of those brands that I saw all over Instagram stories. All of the makeup girls were dropping the drops all over their face, and I felt like, whatever, this is gimmicky, yada, yada, yada. Finally, I gave in, and I bought the Unicorn Essence drops, which is the one in the purple bottle. I literally threw it away earlier today, not thinking about this video later. I love it. I'm out of it. I am itching. I am fiending for a new bottle. This is the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. I don't like it as well. I have it because I just wanted to show you the brand and what the bottle looks like. I don't recommend this. I recommend the purple one, which is the Unicorn Essence. I think that it's amazing, and I use it in place of a moisturizer when I'm applying makeup. I've talked about this a little bit. Actually, I'm not sure if I've talked about this before this video will go up or not, but I've gotten to the point recently where I just don't use primers that much with my makeup. It feels like an added step that I don't really see a whole lot of benefit from with my skin type. So I use Farsali, and it kind of just acts as my moisturizer, my serum, and my primer all in one when I'm wearing makeup. Now, I don't use Farsali when I'm not wearing makeup. It's only a makeup face day. That's it. Okay, next we're gonna talk about face. I'm gonna talk about two products. If I'm wearing foundation, my favorite discovery this year by far is the Pacifica A Light Clean Foundation. It's amazing. It's available at Target. I think it's like $15, maybe even less than that. I think that it's incredible, the coverage that you get, but also the glow that it doesn't cover your skin to the point where your shine and your glow doesn't come through. It just enhances that, and I think that that's amazing. But yet it's still a medium coverage, at least, maybe even a little bit medium to the fuller, but it's not full coverage. And I wear this in 27 WM, which is warm medium, and it has no silicone, no formaldehyde, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no parabens, no petroleum. So it's a clean foundation. It's available at Target, and it's amazing, and it's got a satin finish that just is, it's lovely. It's a very lovely foundation. But then if we're talking about CC creams, you guys know I love It Cosmetics CC creams. I've sang their praises a million times, but another one that I love is the Chanel CC cream. This is expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but a little bit goes a long way. And on the days that I'm not wearing makeup and I just want to go out of the house and still look polished but not have to put any makeup on, I use this in place of my moisturizer, and immediately it's as if I put an Instagram filter on my face. That is the closest thing that I can say that what I get from this little tube. It's unreal. One more favorite, and then I'm gonna shut up. And it is the Tarte Stay Spray. Okay. I might not be big on primers, but I am huge on setting sprays. And when I'm doing my makeup, I use a setting spray multiple times throughout the makeup process. A lot of times I don't show that on camera just because, like, for time we cut a lot of stuff. But when I'm doing this at home, I'm like doing my concealer, spritz, 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 doing my bronzer, spritz, 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 whatever. Like, I'm just constantly spritzing my face because I feel like it just adds moisture back to my skin that sometimes powders just soak up to the point of like looking cakey and gross, and I feel like this makes a huge difference. The reason that I love this spray in particular is I feel like it holds my makeup, A, and B, I enjoy the light scent on it. I feel like so many setting sprays, the scent's just like eh. And don't get me wrong, there are a ton of setting sprays I love. I love the Pixie, I love the MAC, and I love the Urban Decay. But this one in particular, I've just been really gravitating towards lately, and it really does a great job. Guys, there are so many other products that I want to talk about right now. Like, it is eating me alive. There's so many products that I feel like have honorable mentions and like are truly my favorites too. Like my mirror, my Reiki mirror. How about my Volume? I love my Volume. There's so many products that I feel like I can't do it. I gotta let it go. I gotta let it go. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my first annual Hello Gorgeous Beauty Awards. These are my winners. I'm saying it right here because everything's right here. They're my winners of my awards. They are Angela approved. None of it's sponsored. These are just products that I absolutely love and that I can say 100% I would recommend to any of you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you want to see from me next on my channel in the comments below. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Au revoir.